Hello and welcome to our Minitest solving. We got the highlighter and let's go ahead. First we had to find the sum of an nth term series where we do not know how many terms there are, but we know that the first term is 6 and the difference is also 6. So we use the formula for the nth term. We plug in the numbers. We know the nth term is 60, so we turn the equation around, take 6 on both sides away. Divide by 6, we get n minus 1 is 9, because 6 times 9 is 54. We get n is 10. And now we use the formula for the sum. We get the n divided by 2 times the sum of the first and the last term. So 10 halves times 66, which is 5 times 66, which is 330. The second example, we wanted to find the sum of this 5-term series. We have for the first term being 2, the ratio being 3, and the number 5. So we use the formula for finite geometric series. We plug in the a, the r, and the n. 3 to the power of 5 is 243. You do not have to know this instantly. It's just like 3 to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of 2 is 9 times 9 times 3. So 9 times 9 is 81. 81 times 3 is basically 80 times 3, which is 240, and 3 times 1 is 3, so added together is 243. And minus, of course, because minus is here. Divided by minus 2, we calculate this top and bottom part, cancel out the 2's, cancel out the minuses, we're left with 242. Find the sum of an infinite geometric sequence. So we see that each next term halves. A is 1. Since this is the absolute value of this is less than 1, it converges, so we can add it. We use the formula. I just didn't write it as a fraction of above and under, just left and right. We paste in the numbers. We see that it's 1 over 1/2, and the sum being 2. For the fourth one, we had to find if it converges. We had 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus all the way, since it's infinite and arithmetic, it does not converge. Because infinite arithmetic do not converge like at all, unless d is 0, but then again you have the same term for infinity, so it still does not converge at all. Now for the last one, find the sum. 3 minus 6 plus 12 minus 24 plus 48. First term being 3, ratio being minus 2, and number of terms is 5. We use the formula for the finite geometric series. Plug in the numbers. 3 times this mass minus 2 to the power of 5 is minus 32, because this is an odd number. I changed the bracket so it's easier to determine which is which part. So we get 1 minus 32 is 33, so we have 3 times 33 divided by 3. Cancel the 3's, we get 33. That is the sum. That is the solving of the mini test. I am kind of sick, like my throat hurts, so this mini test I kind of zoomed through. But yes, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope everything went well. If it didn't, and I didn't explain it in the video, please ask me in the comments. I will be more than happy to help. Thank you again, and see you next time. Bye.